Hey, and what's up, boys and girls? Guess what? It is day 4. Awesome. Woke up this morning feeling really good mentally, physically, feeling really good as well. Got quite a bit of energy. Nothing too bad. No fogginess, no weakness right now. Of course, it is the morning. The day is young. We'll see what happens. Weighed myself this morning, and I'm at 148.1. So a little bit less than 2 pounds, which is nice. I don't want to lose too much weight. Don't want to do that. So not too bad there. My activity level for today, let's back up really quickly. Pain. Am I feeling any pain? No pain. Feeling really good. Activity level, going to work. Not looking forward to that, but be sitting behind a desk all day. I do have one of those stand-up desks that I can put up and down, so that's nice. Just stand up when I want to. Probably won't use that too much though, because I don't want to burn too much energy. Last place I want to be getting kind of lightheaded or loopy is at work. I want to have a straight head, so probably just chill there today. Won't be taking any walks or anything. Let's see, hungry. I wouldn't mind a big bowl of oatmeal, I know that. But at the current time, not feeling too hungry. Feeling pretty good. I'm sure I'll have some cravings later on for who knows what. There's a lot of fast food places and a lot of restaurants near where I work, so the smells will be there, I'm sure. And let's see what else. That's pretty much it. Don't really have any other tips other than if you're following along, then congrats on making it to day 4. If you're watching this as part of your research for doing your fast, look forward to feeling really good by day 4. That day 2 hump was horrible, but after you get through that, it seems like, at least for me, I don't know if it's like that for everybody, but at least by day 4, from what I've read, most people, you're going to be feeling pretty good. And I am feeling pretty good, which is nice. That day 2 just scared me, and I'm glad I didn't quit. I'm glad I didn't stop. I'm glad I pushed through. Really glad. Almost there. We got one more day after this. Less than a day and a half to go. So looking forward to that. Really looking forward to that. And eating some stuff this weekend. In the weekend, perfect time. Cheat day's coming up. Probably won't be eating too much crap. Just going to be taking it easy in the beginning and taking it slow. Really afraid I don't want to get any real stomach pains from trying to digest anything crazy. So you do the same. And that's pretty much it for now. We'll check back in tonight, give you a recap of the day and let you know what happened, what's going on, all that good stuff. And that's it. So I will see you tonight.